Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we want to make this beautiful and very simple baby blanket pattern together. This pattern is 2 rows repeated. I made that with Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can use another yarn for this pattern. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then start chaining. The number of chains in this pattern should be a multiple of 3. So make 1, 2, 3 chains. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have to repeat these 3 chains until the length of these chains reach the desired size, and then start row 1. I made 39 chains, and now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into second chain, 1 single crochet into next chain, and repeat this work. We have to make 1 single crochet into each chain until the end of the row. I made 38 single crochets, 1 less than foundation chains, and now start row 2 with 3 chain as first double crochet, and then turn the work, and then yarn over, insert hook into next stitch. This is the first stitch and this is the second stitch of previous row. Insert hook into that and yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over, insert hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 of them, and then yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Okay, now I want to make 1 puff stitch around these 3 incomplete double crochets. Yarn over, insert the hook from front to back to front around these 3 stitches, and yarn over, pull up a loop. Again, yarn over, insert the hook around that, yarn over, pull up a loop, and for last time, yarn over, insert the hook around that, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, and then make a chain to secure this puff stitch. Then repeat this sequence. Yarn over, insert hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, one more time, and another time, yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now yarn over, insert hook around these 3 stitches, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert the hook, and yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain 1. And we have to continue this part one more time. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then make 1 puff stitch around these 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then make a chain. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then make 1 puff stitch around that. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through all loops, and chain 1, and continue this work until the end of the row. Now at the end of row 2, I have 1 stitch left. Make 1 double crochet into that. Now I have 1 double crochet at the end of this row and 1 double crochet at the beginning of the row. Start next row with 1 chain and turn the work. In this row, we have to make one single crochet into all stitches, such as first row. The first stitch should be worked into the last double crochet of previous row here. Okay, then make one single crochet into this stitch. That's one chain after puff stitch here. Okay, and make one single crochet into next stitch. That's the puff stitch of previous row, and again make one single crochet into next stitch. Okay, we have 3 stitches above each of these groups of previous row, and repeat that. One single crochet into this chain 1, one single crochet into this puff stitch, and one single crochet into the stitch before puff stitch, and repeat that. One single crochet into chain 1, one single crochet into puff stitch, and one single crochet into next stitch. We have to make 3 stitches above each part of previous row, and repeat that until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 3 and I made single crochets, and make last single crochet into third chain of these 3 chains of beginning of previous row. Okay, now the number of these single crochet should be equal to the number of single crochet of first row, and again I want to repeat row 2, so make 3 chain as a double crochet and turn the work and repeat this sequence. 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 incomplete double crochet, then collect them together and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and make 1 puff stitch with 3 times around this stitch. Make a chain and repeat that. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and make 1 puff stitch here. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, pull through all of them, and make a chain. And continue this work until the end, and at the end make 1 double crochet into last single crochet, and after that we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, several times until the height of this pattern reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rows, and this is my pattern. You can see that's very nice and very beautiful. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please like the video and comment and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.